So guys, welcome back to the tutorials from exire.com. If you want to visit exire.com, you can visit and you will find all the tutorials we have uploaded on YouTube will be there, and you can even search the tutorials and download the code which we are developing here. You can download all the codes which we show in our tutorial, and you can also visit exzi.re to shorten your long URLs. URL shortening service is a service where you can compress your URLs to a bit of characters which can be easily shared and easy to remember, or easy to be typed by the user in the browser if you want to use those URLs in your email marketing or software uh, like software promotion or SMS marketing, wherein the users have to just type a couple of characters and they'll land on the URLs provided by you. Hi guys, my name is AJ and I'm back with a new video. A couple of months earlier I posted a video in which you can create a jQuery star rating system, and you can send the request to the server and you can get a response from the server. And in jQuery you have to select the rating and then click on submit. The rating will go back to the PHP page at the back end, and then you can handle it as per your requirement. You can submit it to the database or whatever you want. You can save the record and then a response is displayed on the browser. Today one of our subscribers he requested me that if he can use the same star rating system without clicking on the submit button. So today we will be modifying the same code to accept the rating without clicking on submit button. That's as soon as you select the star from the rating, the request will be sent to the server and you can then save it there. You can do whatever you want with that request, then give a response back to the browser. Okay, so let's start with the coding part. Okay, so guys, this was the previous rating scale system in which you can select the rating like 4, 5, 3, whatever you want, then click on submit rating. Your this rating will be submitted to this rating response page, which is the backend page of PHP, and then this rating will be displayed. I'll click on edit with the notepad++ for you guys, and this is the clicked value we are requesting. Then if it is equal to 0 or greater than 5, it will say for PHP please give a PHP rating. So it's kind of a validation thing, and otherwise it will display the selected rating. Just click on 4, it is your rating is 4. Click on this, your rating is 5. I'm sorry. So now one of our users have requested that he wanted to use this rating scale, but he don't want this submit rating button. That is, as soon as he click on any of the stars, this rating should be submitted to the backend page, and I'll just display it here that your rating is whatever you select the rating, and then you can go on and save it to your database, take out the average of the rating, whatever you want. It's all up to you. And so first what we have to do, we'll this is the previous coding, and I have dropped in a link in the description for this video. If you want to develop this rating system, you can use that video and get the code, or if you want you can see the whole video. You can straight away write the code and you can understand the code how I have written that code. So we'll start from here on, and this was the index page. Basically this page is handling the whole functionality, mouse over functionality, clicking on submit button, everything. This index.php page is handling, and the rating response is the backend page where we send the request as soon as we click on submit button. See, here we send the request. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll first remove this submit rating button. For your ease, I'll comment this so that even the users who want to download the code and reuse this thing, they don't have to go to other video and then download the code from there. So we'll refresh this. The button is gone. Now we can select the rating, but it is not being displayed because this submit rating was being called on this click on the click function of this button, but now this button is no more available over here, so this is not functioning. And just a second, this is mouse out, this is so here it is clicked well equal to 0. As soon as the page loads, it is 0, and then whenever we do this hover thing, this is the hover function for all the separate stars, and this clicked well, what this do I'm sorry, one star dot clicked well, this assigns the value to the clicked well of the selected star, so that we can pass this value to the backend page. Now what I'll do, I'll first comment this line. I'll refresh this, everything is working fine, great. And what I'll do, I'll create a function submit rating. I am not passing any kind of parameter to this because we have already taken this variable here out of all these functions, so we don't need to pass any value. Or else what you can do, instead of declaring it here, you can declare it inside this and then pass this value as a parameter to this function. But it's kind of advanced thing what all users don't want to do, and sometimes all the users which are beginners are not able to do. So what we'll do, we'll keep it simple and straight. We have done everything in the previous video, and we'll select all the value here. Now what we have done, we have called this rating function, and first we will test that whether everything is working fine or not. So we'll call this function over here, submit rating. So you have to kind of copy and paste in all the 5 click functions for all the 5 stars. Then we'll copy this clicked well variable, and we'll alert this in submit rating to check whether it is working fine or not. So as soon as we select, it is being displayed as in the dialog box, so that means this is fine. Now what we have to do, we have to submit this to the backend, so that our user, what they have requested, they can fulfill their purpose. So I'll copy and paste the same code. This is just for the ease and make this video very fast. So what we have done actually is, firstly this was on submitting value was on the click function of the submit button. Now as soon as you will click on any of the stars, it will call the submit rating function, in which we have the same functionality. So we'll refresh this, it will not work over here. Okay, now we have clicked well over here. We don't have to do anything because this function is already declared outside the click functions, so we already have the value in this clicked well variable as soon as we click any of this, and this will again in turn give this response. So first it will submit the response to the rating response, and then it will return whatever the response is returned by the rating response.php page. So I'll refresh it once more just for the ease. So this is fine. So your rating is 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. So this is what our user has requested. So I'm requesting to all the users once more. I am stating my email ID, my contact number in the description in all videos. So if any of you, I literally mean any one of you, need any kind of help from me, any kind of tutorial, any kind of questions, you can drop in either in the comments. I am looking into the comments once in 24 hours daily, and if you are not comfortable in dropping in your comments, you can drop in a message to my email, to my mobile number, or the same number is available over WhatsApp. You can drop in the message over WhatsApp. I'll return with a video, and your name will be kept entirely secret. If you want your name to be like displayed in the description or the comments or the video, I'll display it whatever you say. I don't have any issue in keeping your name as a secret, or posting the video as anonymous answers. So it's all up to you. So thank you for watching the video. Be sure to subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon, and share the videos if you like it. And if you face any kind of problem, or if you feel there is any kind of improvement that can be done, you can suggest in the comments or drop in as messages in my contact points. Okay, so thanks a lot, have a nice day, see you in the next video. So guys, thank you for watching this video. You can visit exire.com if you want to see all the videos and tutorials from exire.com, and you can subscribe on YouTube if you wish to receive the future updates from YouTube regarding this channel. Also, you can share this video and spread the information and knowledge among others if you want to. And you can also visit exzi.re to shorten your long URLs. This is a URL shortening service provided free of charge by Exire to all the users. For more details, you can visit exzi.re. Thanks a lot.